Welcome to the Slow Home Studio. January is Stair Month, and today we're going to be looking at glass guardrails.
Yeah, and glass guards need some special attention because they're the most difficult things to detail.
They're the most expensive.
They are the most expensive, and they're the thing that everybody aspires to. You know, when you have an open staircase, everybody wants a glass guard, but you have to be aware that the guards are there, of course, so you don't fall, but you also have to be aware of your handrail placement, which is also critical and becomes more difficult when you add glass into the mix.
So this is the classic glass open riser staircase. You just really want the guardrails to disappear. And you'll notice that you do, if you've got good eyes, that there is a piece of glass right there, and there's another piece of glass right there that's providing us the safety from not falling over, and then the handrail is attached to the solid wall.
Yeah, and this is another example where the glass becomes a little bit more of an object, and in this case, the architect has articulated it as one solid piece that actually rises up the two floors, and you can notice it's attached to the stringers with these little pegs, so this has to be carefully planned out. And also, the handrail is pegged onto the glass as well, so it's a whole integrated system.
If you don't want to go with a full piece of glass, which is very expensive, you can reduce the amount of glass and basically have glass panels that then span in between vertical metal posts.
Yeah, the critical point is right here where you turn the corner, because you have to make sure that you've got, in this case, the clearance between the two panels, because you have to be able to get in there and clean. You got to think about that. Slow homers always bring up the cleaning element of that, and you have to plan that out very, very carefully, because that's where you often have a detailing crisis.
I think we need to have a special episode just on that,
on the
geometry of all of that. But you will notice that there is no handrail on this side. The handrail is actually on
You can see it here. It's
other
wall
side.
mounted on the wall. You can see it down there. Now this, of course, is where the handrail and the glass guard are integrated together. So the architect here has included a top piece of handrail that you grab onto with the glass just floating behind, and that's all part of one system. Again, that needs some very, very careful detailing.
To learn more about slow home design principles, you can read our book, What's Wrong with This House, available on our website or through Amazon.com.
See you next time.